Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. Willpower. So we did activating reptilian brain. Then we did finding limitations, working strategy to break those limitations. Next is one-pointed concentration. Take an object, put it in front of you, focus your mind on the object, put a timer in your hand. And when you have that timer, click to start and have a background sense of the timer is in your hand and you're focusing your mind on the object. And in the background, you know that if your mind breaks concentration, you've got to click that timer. How long can you hold the mind and eventually get to a point where rather than letting your mind break, you stop the timer and go, okay, 3 minutes, 27 seconds, uninterrupted concentration. You want to build that level of concentration up to about 1 hour. And once you hit that 1 hour mark, you'll find your mind will go into a very deep trance-like state. Even after the 3 to 5 minute, 12-minute mark, you'll start getting into trance and you'll achieve a type of willpower that's an extension of the reptilian brain.